YouTube. This is Andrea here.
And the other Andrea, hello.
Whoop whoop. Hello everybody. Hello, hello, hello.
Howdy party people.
We hope you guys are having a great day so far. Or evening, wherever you are at.
Hope you're looking forward to July 4th, this Thursday, if you celebrate.
Yeah, July 4th. How fun.
We're not doing anything. We're homebodies, but
yeah.
We'll watch in our backyard.
That's right. We always get to see the lights in the backyard.
Yeah,
which
it's fun.
Yeah.
It's actually nicer because, you don't get hit by any fireworks.
Yeah, and you don't get to have to go find parking.
And you don't have to deal with people.
Yeah, running around,
like that part.
running amok. Amok.
People's children.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so this is the new kit that Drea did for our personal planner this week.
It is back to school.
Back to school.
And since I know kiddos are going back to school soon, in a couple weeks, it's appropriate. That was random. I really like the colors of this kit. I like how it came out.
I love the colors of this kit.
I've been doing some major fun times with the colors of all my kits lately.
They are beautiful.
Thank y'all.
Now, Drea has also started doing
different formats.
Different formats for different planners. What are all the formats?
Okay. We have the classic Happy Planner. We have the vertical and calendrin. So those two are about the same. And are about the same kind of layout, except for, the different box sizes. I also have a personal planner, like Mom uses. We have the Mini Happy Planner dashboard, Mini Happy Planner horizontal, and Mini Happy Planner vertical.
Nice.
And Hobonichi weeks. So those are all the formats.
Those are all the formats. Now, I just got a classic Happy Planner.
And she has a dashboard mini planner.
And then a dashboard mini planner. So we're going to be adding 2 extra videos
a
week for the different layouts.
And we'll be using a different kit for each one. So it's not like you're going to see the same kit on 3 layouts.
Okay.
Because that would get annoying quick.
I'm using the little girl with the backpack first. She's so cute. Then the apple.
It's coffee.
Oh, how cute.
It's a coffee sleeve.
With a donut.
Apple coffee sleeve. And then the globe.
The globe. We got the world, everybody.
Got the whole world in our hands.
Yay.
And then another donut and a cell phone, because, kids and their phones.
Yeah.
People and their phones.
I love it. Okay, now I got to put my half boxes in. We have no appointments this week.
No, we do. Tuesday.
Cool.
Yeah. Can you believe it's July already?
I can't.
Neither can I. June disappeared quick.
Yeah, it did. It went by really fast. Uh-oh.
Oh,
He's getting ready to say, he made me mess up. Hold on. He's such a loud mouth.
no. He is.
Ooh, I like it.
Cute.
We got Saturday. And Sunday. I think it's getting ready to rain.
Yep. We are now in monsoon season, so every day is showers. Yay.
Yeah, they're calling for showers every single day, guys.
I'm not looking forward to it.
No, me neither. Okay, I'm done with that sheet. Not ready for that yet. So when is the appointment?
Tuesday, 11:30.
Tuesday, 11:30. Thank you. Okay. So just one this week. That's not bad.
No.
Yay.
Definitely.
Monday I get Happy Mail.
So do I.
Oh, good. So I only need to use
One Happy Meal sticker.
one Happy Meal sticker. Let's see. We got trash on Thursday.
Every Thursday. And it's just trash this week.
Good.
Not recycle.
I need to make sure. We had a tree branch break in the backyard. I mean, this huge tree branch.
So we need to cut it this week.
Yeah, we got to cut it down and get it out for Big Trash Day. Then we have payday on Wednesday.
Yay.
Yay. And then I want to use Hello Weekend.
Hello, Moto.
Hello, Moto.
Cute.
I like that. Now I can put in my days of the week. Such beautiful colors.
Thank you. I like how they pop.
I love how they pop without being too much. They are gorgeous.
Yeah, not too dark and not too light either. It's kind of perfect.
So what's new going on this week besides the classic Happy Planner, mini Happy Planner, and the classic Happy Planner? Are you still
You mean
doing
the
a
personal
new?
Happy Planner.
You doing new releases?
I'll be working on a kit Monday through Thursday, literally a kit a day, and then on Friday I will release them.
Nice.
Yeah. And if I can find a power cord for my laser printer, I'll be adding foil stickers soon.
That's right. She's going to be adding foil stickers, guys.
And I know those are really popular, really trendy right now, so look forward to those.
How exciting. And we got to put our numbers. Any new movies out? Godzilla?
Nothing I've seen.
No, you don't have to have seen it.
I have no idea. I don't keep up with new movies if I know I don't get to go see them.
If anybody out there has heard of any new horror movies, y'all let me know down in the comments section.
Mom is a major horror movie buff.
I am a major horror movie buff. I gotta have my fix. I haven't had my fix in a while.
I know Avengers Endgame was re-released with some extra footage. So that's cool.
Avengers Endgame.
Was re-released.
I
with
can't
extra
believe they
footage.
re-released it.
It's because they missed a lot. They took out a lot
Oh.
to shorten it, even though it was still 3 hours.
Oh, okay.
And they finally put a post-credit scene in it.
For who?
Don't know. Don't know unless you watch it.
Oh.
Or until YouTube posts it.
Right. You can find a lot of movies on YouTube.
Oh no, I mean until YouTube posts the post-credit scene. They would so be shut down if they posted the movie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love it, Dre. This is beautiful.
Thank you.
Look, guys. I
It's
hope you
really
guys
nice.
like it too. It's so cute.
Thank you.
I'm going to put shopping day on Friday. A couple of days after payday. There we go.
That is our layout.
That is our layout, guys. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll be seeing you guys in a couple of days. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye.